Hey, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. This video is kind of for those F-150 lovers out there. We've had a few of these pickup trucks come in and the customers are complaining about a kind of a clicking noise or a little bit of a grinding noise that seems to go away when they engage the four-wheel drive of the vehicle. Ford, when they designed their shift-on-the-fly four-wheel drive for their light-duty pickup trucks, they use a vacuum to engage or disengage the actuators down at the wheels. When Ford designed this particular system, they designed it to have constant vacuum keeping the four-wheel drive unengaged, and then when you engage the four-wheel drive, they remove the vacuum from the system. The problem with that is as the vehicles age, either the diaphragm internally gets bad and it won't keep the vacuum where it should, allowing the four-wheel drive teeth to kind of mesh a little bit, not fully engage and not keep them fully disengaged. We do offer a solution to this problem, which is installing a new ring setup that does not use any vacuum components at all. You can see here from the pictures that the outer portion of the vacuum, or the outer portion of the actuator assembly, is broken away from the inner portion. We put a new one on. It's a little bit more like a Chevy system where the axles are constantly turning, but it eliminates this vacuum issue, which if you have a vacuum failure in one of the rubber lines, it causes one side to engage the four-wheel drive fully and the other side not, and can cause some drivability issues. So if you happen to be in your Ford and you notice that noise, or you notice a noise that doesn't sound quite right, please give us a call. We are very well versed in the noise, the exact noise that it makes, and what would tell us that maybe we should do a repair. If you have a Ford and you're hearing some noises that you don't think you should be, please feel free to give us a call. We'd love to go for a quick test ride with you, and then we can determine the correct course of action for your vehicle and your situation. Thanks for watching the video. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please share this video so that other Ford lovers can have that information if they need it.